How to delete or clear Snapchat chat. Hello everybody and welcome back. If you'd like to clear out your Snapchat chat, in today's video we are providing you with a step-by-step guide for that. So let's just get started. So for a single chat, you can open up settings or basically look out for your chat option in the bottom right, bottom left, and access your chat page from here. And once you've accessed it up, you can just go over to the name or the profile icon in the top and basically access the profile like this. Now, if you want to clear out conversations, we can go to the three dot in the top and look out for the option of clearing out chat here. For that, tap on chat and notification settings. And within there, look out for the option called cleared from chat feed, or you can even delete chats if you'd like to entirely remove the chat. So if you want to clear it from chat feed, you can tap on the first option and tap on confirm this up, tap on clear, and it will remove up that particular chat from your screen. This is one of the method possible. Apart from that, if you'd like to delete or clear out Snapchat, what we can do is we can go to the chat with the message that you want to delete. And once you find it up, we can press and hold the message. And once you find it up, you can just go over and select the option of chat and notification settings from the menu that pops up and select the option of clear from chat feed option or tap on delete chat option from the pop-up menu. And once you confirm it up, the other person will see a notification that a message or the entire chat has been deleted. Or you can just go over to one of the specific chat, and if you have sent a chat like this, let's say hit send, you can hold your chat and look out for this delete option and confirm it up, click on OK, and you can confirm this up that says that friends can see that you've deleted something. Confirm it up from the pop-up and the message will be deleted, and you will be having notification also available saying you deleted a chat. This is how you do it if you want to delete a specific message within a chat. If you want to clear out the single chat, you can hold it up and delete it entirely or follow the process that I showed earlier. And that's it. So usually this is how you delete or clear out Snapchat chats very easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips.